Hello everyone, welcome back with me Manado Creative Tutorial. Today I want to show you how to screen recording with Android system. Especially I use Samsung device today because I love this game. I play this game. Any moment I want to recording. So I search in Google in Play Store. In Play Store how to screen recording, so I can get any moment in this game. And I found one application. That application is really good to use in this game for recording screen like this. These screens are really simple. So how to get this application, I want to show you now. You can go to Play Store, only click that Play Store, search and type screen recorder. After you type screen recorder, go them and choose this application. I recommend it to you to install this application because this application is really good to screen recording, especially in Android. Okay, just after that you just click that application, only click that application. After you click that application, install that application. Well, after you install that application, you can use that application. Okay, maybe this all. Thank you very much for your time. If you like this video, just only like, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much and good morning.